This is a BMW i3 extended range version produced in 2014, with an original capacity of 60 Ah and 20 kWh of electricity. According to the car owner's description, the actual driving range in urban areas is only 80 to 110 kilometers. This car was transported from 500 kilometers away to the store. And after 4 hours of disassembly and installation, its capacity was increased to 154 Ah and 54 kWh, with a theoretical NEDC range of 400 kilometers. Now we are conducting long-distance measurements on the vehicle. When the battery consumption is 20%, the vehicle travels 85 kilometers. The air conditioning was on throughout the trip. When the battery consumption is half, the vehicle travels 204 kilometers. When the battery consumption is 75%, the vehicle travels 291 kilometers. When the battery level is 10% remaining, the odometer displays a range of 29 kilometers. The vehicle has traveled a total of 340 kilometers. Thank you for your attention. We will bring you more real car tests.